visit. One time there was one father who was doing his grocery, and he was trying to look for the best wine, and also he's trying to look for the best turkey, because it was Thanksgiving Day, and he knew that all his children would be coming back home. Matanda na siya, around mga 72 years old. And then after cooking, gabi na, he put the candles, he prepared the turkey, he cooked a pasta. But almost 10 o'clock in the evening, not even one of his children came back home to celebrate with him during that Thanksgiving day. And so he spent this Thanksgiving day alone, and then the next morning, he tried to call them up. He bought a ticket and he began his journey visiting all his 4 children all around the United States of America, USA. And then mga kaibigan, it was only after that visit that he found out that all of his children, the reason why they were able to come back home, because they have all problems. They have problems. And it was grace for all the children, because it was through his visit that he was able to help his children to get through with their problems. Mga kaibigan, we also got one father. Ano? We were the firstborn. That was 1915. And then then after that, more children came up. Poland, Peru, Brazil, Mexico, Pennsylvania, California, and then Nigeria, India, Australia, and then Spain. Now, who's there? It's coming, and also there's another on the way, Indonesia. So we are now so many children, and that is why our Father is so missing us that He decided to go around and visit us. So that is why, mga kaibigan, they're all here, because they love us. Thank you very much. You know, it's so easy to write letters. Diba? It's so easy to send messages through text and through phone. But still, it is much better when you see those person you love in person.